Ready to take your monitoring game to the next level? Introducing the domain filter, your key to focused and precise brand monitoring. So how do you use it? First, log into your Brand24 account and head to the Mention tab. Enter the domain or website you want to include or exclude from your monitoring, and voila, your refined results are ready. But why does it matter? Target specific websites, be it news outlets, social media platforms, or industry blogs. Isolate mentions from competitors' websites to understand their strategies. Exclude irrelevant or spammy domains for high-quality mentions. Isolate mentions from influential sources during a crisis for effective response prioritization. And there you have it, the domain filter, your tool for precision and efficiency in brand monitoring. Try it out and discover a new level of insights. Visit brand24.com and elevate your monitoring strategy today.